Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what I got at my local scrapbook store. I had a massage this morning and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to swing by the scrapbook store and just grab a few things that I want to play with. So I bought some new Distress Spray Stain. I got it in the Prize Ribbon, which is a newer color from Tim Holtz Ranger, and I just really like that blue. And then I got the Picket Fence, which is white spray stain, so I thought I'd like that. I have a white, but it's getting really low, so I thought it'd be nice to have a new one of those. And then I got Crackling Campfire, which I got the Distress Oxide last time. So I got the spray stain and I also got the embossing glaze. I'm going to be doing some fun stuff with that. I did get an alloy. I got the sterling, which is silver. And that's to go with the alcohol inks and stuff. So I just got the one. I did get some Distress paint, and I heard that these are getting discontinued, so I'm like, okay, I gotta get a few colors. So you'll see a few colors in here because I want to make sure that I have some of those. And then the other day I was going through my stuff and I didn't have Gathered Twigs in the Distress ink in the big ink pad, and I mean, I use this guy all the time, so I decided to get it. Then I got another storage tin. I got the mini ink storage tin. Now you can use it, of course, for your mini pads, but you can also, no, that's not the one for this, but you can also like put like your Tim Holtz crayons in there until you run out of space. There is one especially for the crayons, but they were sold out everywhere I looked. But I have 4 new little mini ink pads coming, so I want to make sure that I have a Distress tin for that. So I got one of those. And because I want to start playing with my alcohol inks, I got some applicator felts that will fit on this tool instead of the square tool. I have both, but I wanted this, so I got a thing of that. And again, because I want to start playing with alcohol inks, I got the lift ink and I got the refill. And then, like I said, I heard through the grapevine that they're getting rid of these paints. So I decided to get a few more colors. So I got Kitsch Flamingo, I got Frayed Burlap, I got Pumice Stone, I got Peeled Paint, I got Crackling Fire. And I'm going to start using those way more often in my albums and just playing. I got some alcohol blending solution for the alcohol inks. I got the Distress ink in Picket Fence, which is white. I didn't have that one either. I don't know why. Then I got this pack. They're snippets, the curator, and it has 223 pieces, all little pieces. So I thought, love that. So I got that. Then I got the embossing glaze in the Villainous Potion, I think it's called. And that's the purple. So I got that. Then I got the Distress Mixed Media Heavy Stock, again from Ranger Tim Holtz, and the Distress White Heavy Stock. And I think both of these are 130 pounds. Yeah, 130 pounds. Or this one is 110, this one's 130. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of play with that. Then I got the Tim Holtz cling stamp, like stamp holder. The blocks. Every time I'm looking for something, a block to stamp, I never have the right size. So I figured this has, sorry for the noise, there's 9 pieces. So Ooh, and I like that they're thin. They're not very thick, so I like that. So these are the sizes. It says the size here. There's 1x5, 2x7, 1x2, 4x6, 2x2, 2x3, 5x6.5, 4x3, and 4x8. So there's tons of different sizes. And I'm going to find like a container to put them in, and then I'll keep all of them all together. So next time I want to stamp, I'll find the correct size of block. Let me get that. And I like that there's a grid on them, so you can line up your stamps really well. So that's that. Then I thought I want to start using my embossing folders a little bit more. And I really liked this one. These are the minis. And this is like a rock facing. I just think it's so cute. These are the 3D ones. So anyway, I got that. Hoping to get that used up. I did get a Delusions creative journal because I want to play with that stuff. Not necessarily on a page, but maybe on something like this where I can just play with the media, and then it'll help me think of pages, if that makes sense. So I just got this so that I can have somewhere to play, and that I can keep this stuff and I can keep looking at it. Because right now what I'm doing is I'm playing on pieces of leftover watercolor paper, and then I toss it. So I think I'd like to keep it. I got a couple of Thinlits from Tim Holtz again. And this one is called Funky Nature. I really like the funky collection. So there's like, you layer them. So I love that. These ones and the colorize, I'm loving. And then this one is Funky Toadstool. So I'm going to be playing with those two, making a whole bunch, sitting down, cutting a whole bunch, and then putting them together and then using them on layouts. So that's it. That's everything that I grabbed at my scrapbooking store this morning. And I can't wait to start playing. I really want to play with these embossing glazes. And like I said, this is a scrapbooking store that's local to me. It's called the knitnook.ca. And I think they ship in Canada. I'm not sure about international. I think so. And they have quite a bit of stuff. So I ended up getting quite a few things. And I probably could have went on for a little bit more, but I decided to kind of, you know, rein it back. And so I got 3 distress stains. I got quite a few of those distress paints. I got 6 of those. And then I got a few things for the alcohol inks like this. So there was a method to my madness here. I just wanted to make sure that I could start, you know, playing. I haven't bought anything, you know, kind of distressy or mixed media-ish in a long time. So it was kind of fun to go and get some of this stuff, and then I'm going to be incorporating it. I have my Scrapathon 9. I can't believe 9 already. That's starting on March 1st. It's going to go on sale on February, I think it's 22nd. And where we're going to do like 31 pages in 1 month. And what I like to do is 1/3 of the days. So at least 10. Last time I think there was like 14 or 15, almost half. There was a technique that we did. And then the rest of the month is like challenges and that kind of stuff. But that's part of the reason why I wanted some new stuff, so that we can do some new techniques. And also on Patreon now, you know, every 2 Tuesdays we do kind of a technique. So I wanted to get some new supplies for that too. But that's it. That completes my scrapbook haul. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.